Hi there, my friend. Welcome back to Little Steps, a peaceful space where we learn English and take care of our hearts at the same time. I'm so happy you're here again today. Today, let's talk about something that many people struggle with speaking English with confidence. Maybe you feel shy when you speak. Maybe you worry about making mistakes. Or maybe you think your accent is not good enough. If that's you, it's okay. You're not alone. I used to feel the same way too. Confidence doesn't come from being perfect. It comes from believing that you are allowed to try. Even if your grammar isn't perfect, even if you forget words sometimes, even if people don't understand you right away, you are still learning, and that's brave. Repeat after me, slowly, with a smile. I can speak English. I'm learning every day. It's okay to make mistakes. Every time you speak, you're getting better. Confidence grows when you use your voice. So don't wait until you feel ready. Just start speaking now. Talk to yourself in English while doing chores. Read aloud your favorite quotes or songs. Or watch English shows and repeat the lines. The more you speak, the stronger your confidence becomes. Remember this: speaking English is not about perfection, it's about connection, sharing your thoughts, your story, your heart. Be kind to yourself as you learn. Celebrate your progress, even the small ones, because every word you speak is a little victory. Thank you for listening today. If this episode made you feel a little braver, please follow Little Steps for more simple English talks about confidence, healing, and growth. You're doing great. Keep going.